Happy Sunday! Happy Eastern Sunday to all of us. I'm very sorry. I have no decoration for the rainbow color of the eggs. So, I have only like this one. At least this is only my, my background of my greetings that I'm giving to all of us. To all subscriber, not subscriber, supporters, not supporters, viewers, not viewers, to the all people in this world. Nationwide, idouble ko pa, universe, worldwide, that we are still living, still we are here in these different countries, to continue what we are. So happy Eastern Sunday to those people that they are celebrating of the Eastern Day. Thank you, and more blessings at all. And I'm just have making this one as what I'm telling. This one only is my background of my greetings for the Eastern Sunday. And because how come I can't go anymore anywhere in the afternoon? I just go to the church, and I'm already asking permission to my madam so I can go to attend the Eastern Sunday, the Easter Sunday. I'm just telling also to the some bloggers that you are still supporting in my channel from the beginning and until now. Some bloggers also that their supporters, their subscriber that they connect in my channel. So thank you very much. And to those all people that they have already in the social media, and good luck, and give everything the best of us for our that is already our routine daily. Some of them, but some of them also that they are not including in the social media. They are only watching and support. So thank you so much also. And now the weather is very nice, very good, and Celine, she go already to the school, madam, so that's why I make my video as I can speak as in not minimize, not slow my voice. I can express louder little bit, okay? So sa tanan na naka social media, halos na ang ahong hometown. You are belong in the another social part of the social media, and to say great also to happy Easter Sunday to all of them, to all my relatives, to all my angkan, both side of my nanay and tatay. Hindi ko kasi, I cannot send message in the Messenger or some in the WhatsApp or in the FB, because how it's not a million. Some I can't, it's not easy na. It's not quickly to finish to send one by one. Okay, so that is what I mean, always, and I always copy and repeating all my message in all videos that what I have to download in my channel, to say thank you, and thank you very much. Keep safe, more blessings. God provide everything what we need. Happy Easter Sunday to all peoples that they are celebrating, that they are belong also in the different countries, and we are different nationalities, and some of them also that just stay at home. Some of this is outing, travel, or as of what they want. Me, I'm just here, still in the house and work because it's working time. And to give only, it's normal. It's just a part of our life. The important that God always with us. And He can provide everything, whatever we are. Okay, so thank you, thank you. Thank you again. Angkan to Angkan, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Dinagat Island, Siargao, Surigao del Norte, to the mainland, to up, and doon sa Kabaryuhan, Kaislahan, Surigao City, Sor, basta. Kung saan kayo, to may angkan, to angkan, sa sinasabi kong both side of my nanay and my tatay, kung saan kayo nag-residence now, kung saan na kayo nag-home residence, we are part of our journey, in our individual journey, in my journey. And that is already necessary, not necessary, it's a common, what's that na? It's a normal to say, but because of we are very big, not only to my families both side, but all of us have a very big families already. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, and keep safe lagi, and God bless us all. Ingat Brad, ingat to may mga in-laws, and may mga nieces, and may mga apos. Ingat lagi to all, and to all may mga amo. May amo here, of course. They're already part of my journey because I'm here. I'm working as a OFW. Okay, so thank you. Once again. You know who you are and where you are. Thank you very much talaga. And happy Easter Sunday to all of us. And I say bye-bye of my message, and I make it venue so I to say the weather of her outside. Okay, so thank you. Keep safe lagi. Ayan yung weather. Doon, tingnan natin yung weather dito. Yung weather dito sa labas. Ayan o, maganda naman yung weather o. Diba? Maganda yung weather. The weather is so good. Cool ang weather namin ngayon. The weather is very nice. See, good ang weather. Okay. Ayan yung weather. Weather. Good weather. Very good weather. It's a good weather, and it's a good weather. Okay. Very nice yung weather, no? Weather. The weather. Ayun yung weather. So good yung weather. Sun, nice. Warm. So warm. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you again for watching. And bye. Bye. Andiyan yung rose. Bye. Happy Easter Sunday. More blessings at all. Thank you, Lord, for everything.